Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, MashaAllah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. The Kiswah is produced in King Abdulaziz complex for the Holy Kaaba Kiswah. Inside this specialized facility, skilled craftsmen, engineers, technicians, and calligraphy experts work throughout the years to create a new Kiswah. The process combines traditional Islamic artistry with modern technology, ensuring that every detail is completed to the highest standard. Creating Kiswah Kaaba takes many months of continuous work and involves dozens of specialties, dedications, and the sacred task. In a ceremony that reflects centuries of Islamic history, devotions, and craftsmanship. So let's follow the ceremony of the changing Kiswah Kaaba. The truck from the Kiswah Kaaba has been reached to the Masjid al-Haram and bring the Kiswah in the Ghilaf of Kaaba, and you can see the security arrangement. Security is high alert outside the Masjid al-Haram. The Kiswah the Ghilaf of Kaaba is being unloaded from the truck and now we're going to carry inside the Masjid al-Haram in very professional manners in a special design box from the Kiswah factory with the high security and professionals. You can see around the box and now going to carry inside Masjid al-Haram. From the upper floor of the Haram, you can see the Kaaba is protected, surrounded, and the people is losing the old Kiswah Kaaba that the new one will place over it right now. As you can see, mashallah, the new Kiswah of the Holy Kaaba has now arrived inside Masjid al-Haram, as you can see in there, and the ceremony is now going to be start soon. The security personnel have formed a clear pathway from the entrance all the way towards the Holy Kaaba, standing in lines on both sides to ensure the smooth and safe movement of the Kiswah throughout the Masjid al-Haram. As you can see, the security forces are maintaining order while the sacred cloth is transported through the mosque. And inshallah, very soon this new Kiswah will be carried to the Holy Kaaba and carefully placed over the house of Allah as a part of this historical and blessed ceremony. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, MashaAllah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. The new Kiswah Kaaba is being placed over all four sides, and now the old one is removed. As you can see, this is the old Kiswah of Kaaba. The cloths is now been removed. Here the cloth is being cutted with scissor because the door of the Holy Kaaba has a separate specially designed piece of the Kiswah. This dedicated section, known as the curtain of the Kaaba door, is prepared separately and will be hung over the door once The cutting process is now being completed and the special kiswa placed on the door of the Kaaba carefully. And meanwhile, the installation team is continue its work and joining the sections of the kiswa corners using large needles and strong threads. They ensure that every part of the covering is securely connected. At the top of the Kaaba, the kiswa is carefully secured and attached to the upper structure. The team works with great precision to ensure that the cloth hangs evenly in all sides. Meanwhile, they are stitching and connecting the corners of the kiswa using large needles and strong threads, making sure that every section is firmly joined and perfectly aligned from all the sides. Great work with great precision. And here is the final result. The Holy Kaaba is now beautifully covered with the black kiswa, decorated with magnificent calligraphy featuring verses from the Holy Quran. MashaAllah, what an incredible, breathtaking sight. The craftsmanship, beauty, and attention to the detail are truly remarkable. May Allah grant all of us the opportunity to visit His sacred house again and again. Ameen Ya Rabbal Alameen.